Computer Basics Multiple Choice Question and Answers, Series 1. Which of the following is invalid type of memory? Input device, stepper motor, memory, none of the above. The answer is B, stepper motor. Which of the following is valid storage type? CPU, keyboard, pen drive, trackball, none of the above. Answer is pen drive. C, pen drive. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit, Application Logic Unit, Array Logic Unit, none of the above. Answer is Arithmetic Logic Unit. The brain of any computer system is ALU, CPU, none of the above, memory, control unit. B, CPU. Which difference does the fifth generation computer have from other generation computers? Technological advancement, object-oriented programming, scientific code, all of the above. Answer D, all of the above. You can also refer the explanation over here. Any storage device added to computer beyond the immediately usable main storage is known as A, floppy disk, B, hard disk, C, backing store, D, punched card, E, none of the above. Answer A, floppy disk. Which of the following computer generation uses concept of artificial intelligence? First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. D, fourth generation. Which device is used as the standard pointing device in a graphical user interface? A, keyboard, B, mouse, C, joystick, D, trackball, B, mouse. The section of the CPU that is responsible for performing mathematical operations. A, memory, B, register unit, C, control unit, D, ALU, E, none of the above. Answer D, ALU. Source code is available to view, modify, and redistribute in open source, closed source, proprietary, licensed, E, none of the above. Answer A, open source. The list of coded instructions is called computer program, algorithm, flowchart, utility program, none of the above. A, computer program. Which of the following is not input device? Touchpad, mouse, printer, keyboard, all of the above. C, printer. MS Word is example of closed source software. True or false? It's a true. Software required to run the hardware is known as joystick, task manager, taskbar, program manager, device driver. E, device driver. The programs which are as permanent as hardware and stored in ROM is known as hardware, software, firmware, firmware. C, firmware. Which of the following is application software? Compiler, PowerPoint, debugger, programmer manager, device driver. B, PowerPoint. C language were used in dash type of computers. First generation, second generation, third generation, fifth generation. B, second generation. Which of the following is invalid type of memory? Random access memory, read-only memory, programmable read access only memory, erasable programmable read-only access memory. C, PRAM. Joystick is used for gaming, weather forecast, word processing, all of the above. A, gaming. Which of the following is not OS? Android, Mac, Samsung, Linux, all of the above. C, Samsung. Which of the following is not output device? Printer, video, scanner, all of the above. Answer C, scanner. CPU consists of ALU plus CU, ROM plus ALU, RAM plus ROM, none of the above, all of the above. Answer ALU plus CU. Trackball is output device. True or false? B, false. Which of the following is the valid measurement unit of memory? GB, MB, KB, bytes, all of the above. Answer E, all of the above. ALU is part of memory. True or false? B, false. Dash is non-volatile memory. ROM, EERM, RAM, ROM, all of the above. A, ROM. Dash is volatile memory. ROM, EPROME, RAM, PROME, all of the above. C, RAM. Hardware can work without device driver. True, false? B, false. Computer basics multiple choice question and answer series 2 will be continued. Thanks for watching.